Hey guys, let's fix this issue quickly. In the first step, we need to press Windows key plus R key together to open run. Then type your services.msc and hit enter. So it will open services window. Then just scroll down and we need to find out the WWAN autoconfig. Simply right click on it, select properties. Once we're here, we need to set startup type as automatic, then click on apply. Then we need to start the service. Once done, click on OK. Do the same process for WWAN autoconfig. Right click on it, select properties. So it's disabled, so set startup type as automatic. Click on apply, click on start. So the now service status is running. Then click on OK and close this window. In the next step, we need to go to search bar and type your task manager. Then click here to open it. Click on run new task, select browse button. Now go to this PC, open C drive, then go to Windows folder. In the Windows folder, we need to find out system32 folder. Here it is. Double click on it to open it. Then just scroll down and find out cmd.exe file. Here it is. So select it and click on open. Now check this box and click on OK. Once we're here, close all the background windows and we need to execute some commands. So type all these commands carefully and hit enter to execute them. This solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11, so don't worry, just go for it. We will fix this issue for sure. So type in ipconfig /flushdns and hit enter. Then type in netsh winsock reset and hit enter. After that, type exit. So it's showing you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So we need to hit enter and simply restart the system. The problem will be solved. That's it guys. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. That will be a better way and effective one also. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.